Today is actually day 3 in Canada. Did not film yesterday, but same old story. Got some pike, got some walleye. Nothing crazy, no monsters or anything like that. Just a regular day. We're catching a lot of fish. It was fun. Last episode, you guys saw that me and Dane found the honey hole a little bit over there and that way. That's where we found the honey hole. We marked it so we can go back. Sorry for this wind, by the way. It's probably messing up the audio. Today, me and Dane, in the beginning there, we're going to target some pike. We're going to try to troll some deep ledges for pike. We've been here 2 days, and so far we've realized that we've kind of gotten our pike in 20 to 30 feet of water, right off some points and some islands like the one right over there. And so we're going to follow that same pattern today. We didn't get on any big ones yesterday, and the weather's not really helping. It's clear skies, which usually means bad fishing, but we're in Canada, so we will definitely get some fish to bite. Me and Dan are going to try to find some deep ledges. We're going to troll some big spoons, some big baits for some pike, and then maybe we'll go for some walleye today. If you guys enjoyed last episode or didn't see last episode, make sure you watch that one before this one or watch it after. I don't care. Watch them both if you'd like. But we're going to get into it. I'm going to stop talking, going to fill this puppy back up with some gas, and me and Dane, after Dane gets out of the bathroom, we're going to hop on it and we're going to try to catch some pike. So stay tuned, guys, and let's do it. Good. Got one? Nice. Dane's got one. On the big spoon, right? All right, let me put this thing in neutral. Let me get my lure in. Oh, you're dragging him. I see him. That's not as bad as I thought he was. All right, Dane's our first fish of the day. A nice pike. Dane's first fish of the day. Nice pike. Choked a spoon. Completely destroyed. This one's really slimy. All right, so Dane, first on the golden spoon. Not a bad pike, but we're obviously going for bigger size. We'll restart trolling. We're in about 10 feet of water, and let's get some more. Oh, there he goes. You got one? Nice. Dane's hooking up. Feel good? Yeah, we're a nooch. Oh, nice eye. Wow.
Damn.
Really nice eye. Whew.
Thanks, Katie.
Dane hooking up on a nice eye on the spoon, which is unusual. I mean, we've caught a couple on spoons, but not too many. We're about to hit shore pretty soon, so I'm just going to get this out and put them back in the water. All right, on that gold spoon, little white twisty tail. Going for some pike, windward shoreline, but still, very nice fish. All right, thanks for playing, Hoss. Let's get some more.
Okay.
Got one? Dang, dude, I got to go back to that spoon. I got one too. Double up. Double up. Double up! Yell it!
Double up!
All right, we're at 8 feet of water. It's fighting a little bit. Ooh, it's pulling some drag. Mine's a nice walleye. Yeah. Oh, there's something following him. Oh, he just pooped. Oh, that's disgusting.
At least he pooped out of the boat.
Let me take him off and net yours at the same time. That's a fat walleye, bro. Nice walleye right here. Whew. How big is she? No, she's 20 and a half.
20 and a half, nice.
20 and a half, my biggest walleye of the trip. So that's dope. All right, now we gotta.
I'm really curious to see how big one is.
Now we gotta catch Dane or net Danes. That's all tangled up. It's not even worth it. Bring him over here on the spoon too. That's a nice walleye.
Alright, so I gotta be 20 and a half.
Yeah, you might though with this one. Look at that walleye.
Yours is fatter, mine's longer.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Barely hooked too. Beautiful fish. We just double up. We're gonna hit that same spot again. Woo! My hands are all wet and slimy. Yeah.
Hey, grab it.
Come on, Walter. Ooh, that was a rock. Yeah. Yeah, we've been recording for an hour and 15. There. Oh, I just had a hit.
Non-stop action, too.
Got him. Oh, I saw him take it too. No. Oh, we just spit it. It was a nice walleye. Take it right there?
Yeah.
Nice. Net it? Yeah, let's do it. Oh, nice. That one hit it right by the boat, too. Oh, sweet.
Look at that.
Beautiful walleye there.
Yeah, the boat.
Yeah, oh, that's a long fish, man. That's a beautiful golden color. Look at that. That is why we came to Canada. Let's see how big this one is. 20. All right, 20. It's a good fish. Thanks for playing, Haas. Woo! Nice fish. Tell him we doubled him. Right. There's one. Hey, tell him I got a fish right now.
Hold on, Gabe's got a fish. I'll call you back.
Nice Walter. On the blade bait. Yeah.
It's got a blade bait, so like a caught.
Actually, yeah, no. I'll just advertising in 19.
Yeah.
Dane's talking on the radio, but check out that fish, guys. Dude, these are, we're just killing them right now. We are slaying them right now. Oh my god. That's the walleye. Not gonna measure him. He's probably our smallest, to be honest, but still a good fish. And we're gonna get some more on the same spot. There's one. Yeah. Put it in neutral. On the blade bait once again. No. Nice walleye. Oh yeah, another nice walleye. That's how you do it. We are slaying them right now. My god. On that blade bait I'm using, Dane's using that spoon. Nice fish. She is about, okay, you know what, now you're gonna measure. Great fish though. Get out of my boat. There, oh, that was a good fish. Lost him. Oh, he's coming back for it. Damn it, hit it twice. Yeah, I got him now. Yeah, I got him now. Only took me 14 tries to get that fish. I don't know. I'm gonna tighten my drag though. My drag's a little loose in my hook sets. Still, nice walleye. Ooh, that is a nice one. I'll just keep picking them up at this point. We're getting a lot. That's a beautiful. Yeah, unless it's 30. Yeah, a little bit. Another nice fish. Whew. This one's a little darker than usual. Actually, this one's barely. Hit it like 3 times. But man, last video I said we found the honey hole, and I thought we did, but we are killing them right now on this. And so, another nice fish, and we're gonna get some more. Guys, me and Dan made it back to the house, and it was a pretty good day today. We started off, we were filming, and we found a really good spot. We doubled up on 20 inchers. We were catching some nice walleye. Turned the cameras off for most of the day. With the cameras off, we probably caught about 10 pike, 10 or 15 walleye. So just the normal stuff. But then at the end of the day, we actually found this little cove, and there are a lot of weeds in there. It was like 5 to 6 feet, and sometimes we went down to even 3 and 2. But the boat still fit in there, so that was good. And we were catching some pike on top water, some spoons. Nothing's better than that. So for the next episode of this, that's the first spot we're gonna go to tomorrow. We're gonna get this boat tomorrow, head all the way back around the island to the weedy spot, and we're gonna try to catch some pike on top water. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really awesome coming out here and filming for you guys. Hopefully it turns out well. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next episode of Off the Grid. Today was episode 2. Tomorrow I will be filming. It'll be episode 3. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys next video.